around.
Let's see who's home. Ring the doorbell.
Who's home?
Yeah, let's see who's home.
Someone's not there.
Hello.
That's number one.
That is not the one?
Yeah.
One. Who is number one?
E.
Oh, he's blue.
He's number one. He hides. Go to sleep.
Lock the door.
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
Is this number two?
Let's turn it.
Oh, it's open. It's been locked. He's sleeping. I just bought.
Number two. Lock it.
Let's see. Number three.
Let's see. Number three is purple. Who lives in number three?
This one.
Hold on. Let's lock it.
Let's see. Number
Okay, turn it. Show everyone number four. Move your leg. Number four.
Gonna sleep.
Good night.
You bring the bell.
Ring the doorbell. Number one. Hello, is anybody there? Who's ringing my doorbell? Okay, I'll open up the door for you. Let's open up the door with the key.
Who's in there?
Let's see who's inside.
Oh, here's a guy. One.
Number blue is inside.
One. One. Lock it.
We lock it.
Okay, who's in number two?
Number two is red. So let's see who's in number two. Who's in number two? Oh, we didn't ring the doorbell. That would be very rude.
Hello? Who is it?
It's Gabriel. Gabriel would like to come say hello.
Well, okay, you can open the door because I don't know where the key is.
Here's the key. Key is an L shape.
Who's could be?
Let's see who's inside. Oh, it's the red one.
Red guy.
Show everybody.
That's a red guy, Mom.
Show everyone.
Hello, I am red guy.
It's too close. Here you go.
Hello,
Hello.
I'm red guy.
I live in number two.
And I'm red guy.
I live in number one.
Number one.
I live in number two.
What's in number two?
Let's lock the door now.
Why do you need to lock the doors?
As we're leaving, we don't want anybody to break in and steal our things.
This is a robbery.
Who's in number three? Ring the bell.
Ring the doorbell. Let's see who's in number three.
Who's could be? Who's it?
Let's see who's in number three.
Who's number three? Ring.
Hello.
Hello. It's locked. It's locked.
It's locked. Let's open it. Let's use the key.
Myself in the house. Help me, Gabriel. I can't.
Open the door. Who's in there?
He's
Oh, it's purple. 2.
Number 2.
Let's see what's in door number 2.
Wait. Who's this?
Open. Nobody's in door number 2. Who wants to go in door number 2?
Me.
All right. Uh-oh.
I think you get crushed.
No. That's the daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They're big boy.
he's a big boy. Who is this one?
This is a baby one.
That's the baby one.
Yes.
He's wearing blue. Please subscribe to our channel, Gaby Monster. Bye.